Premier Building Systems. What do you want us to build for you? Meet Dennis Anderson, creator, driver, and president of Gravedigger Monster Trucks. Dennis is a winner personally and professionally, winning many world finals.
Hey, I'm Dennis Anderson, driver and creator of Gravedigger Monster Truck, four-time world champion. I've been in the motorsport business for over 30 years. I've got one of the biggest, baddest trucks on the circuit out there. And let me tell you what you gotta have to go along with a big, bad truck. You gotta have a big, bad shop.
Manufacturing a Gravedigger is no small feat. This is serious machinery meant to reliably compete and to entertain.
When you do a walkabout at my place, you look through my shops, we've got it all going on. Behind the scenes, monster trucking is really big. Mud bogging is really big. We have an engine room. We have a department that takes care of nothing but shocks, differentials, all of the fab work. We have different departments. And you know, we have grown in leaps and bounds in the last 10 years, especially with Monster Jam. And that's why we're growing with these buildings. But as you do a little tour through my buildings, I'm very proud of what goes on now. We maintain and build 40 monster trucks out of this facility right here in North Carolina.
From the humble beginning in a chicken house, Dennis Anderson founded Gravedigger. To be able to do his work, his dream was to have a custom-built building. Well, about the same time, Premier Building Systems was founded by Scott Phillips. From the start, it was a good fit between the two men, the two companies.
Some of the best shops in the world are done right here on my property. I've got 5 of them now. Started out in a chicken house with a dirt floor, and look at me go now, man. My goal in life was to have a big, bad shop, and that's what I got. But thanks to Premier and Scott, all you guys there, I'm gonna tell you right now, the quality, the service is there. If you want a building and you want to get in the building business, you get a hold of Premier. These people are the best people you could ever get in contact with.
Recently, major expansion plans prompted Dennis to look to Premier Building Systems for the design, implementation, and construction of several specialized Premier buildings on his 12-acre Gravedigger campus. Dennis likes big. The new Premier buildings are, to say the least, spacious and strong enough to warehouse and maintain Gravedigger monster trucks and other equipment. Customer satisfaction is key to continued Premier growth and success.
I'm telling you, man, I love my shops. I love to see the slab poured. I like to see the red iron when the red iron goes up and I come riding through and I see this project moving on. And it's just massive. It's massive and it's huge. Looks like you got all the room in the world, but that's all right. You give me about 2 years, I'm gonna probably need another shop because I'm gonna fill this one up and it's gonna be monster trucks galore, mud trucks galore right here. But Premier Buildings, they're some of the best building systems in the world to me. I'm telling you, there's nothing like a Premier building. I've been dealing with them since 1995 and I have them all over my property. This is my brand new baby right here. This is a 60 by 120. This is gonna be our new fab shop and our maintenance shop right here. But this is what you see. I'm telling you, man, it's a beautiful world when you can work underneath of a nice shop and a concrete floor. I worked so long and so hard in the dirt as a young kid growing up through monster trucks that there's nothing like what we have now.
Dennis Anderson expects performance and endurance, and Premier Building Systems delivers. Shorter construction time, lower construction cost, and greater ease of expansion. All this with a proven Premier track record in customer service and quality. Since 1995, Premier Building Systems erects quality buildings at a fair price while maintaining an A+ Better Business Bureau rating.
Premier Buildings are the best in the business when it comes to steel buildings. I'm gonna tell you right now, they got quality, service, and I love working with personal people. Scott is my man, and he's the guy that makes me shine when I want a big new shop. This is a great system. We love you, Premier. Thank you. This is from Dennis Anderson.
Taking the time to listen, to understand your entire project, helps to ensure customer satisfaction from start to finish. Customers quickly recognize our sincerity and place their trust in Premier pre-engineered steel buildings. What do you want us to build for you? Share with us your vision of the perfect building for you. Visit our website, premierbuildings.com. Call now, 1-800-882-5150.
And boom, it looks like the project is rolling, man. I'm telling you, the inspiration and drive just makes you want to just finish this project. You hear that in the background? We're still working. This is a construction zone around here. All right.